This is how to generate AI image for free. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Then here you have to simply search for the lexica.art. Once you are signed into this website, now here you will see this interface. Here you have to simply type in your prompt here and then click on the generate option at the bottom. To get amazing results with this AI tool, you have to simply tap in the prompt in detail, and you can simply take the help of the ChatGPT to create a prompt here. Once you type in your prompt describing each of your detail, now here you have to simply click on the generate option at the bottom. Once you click on the generate option, now it will give you the multiple copies of your required image. As you can see, it gave me the result for my prompt, and these are not accurate for me. So what will I do? I will accurately describe the description or the prompt in detail. After that, I will again create an image with this tool. Once it gives me the results that I need, I simply click on the image to download it. Once I click on the image, now it will give me the option to download the image. So that's how you can create AI image for free.